Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel where I show my favorite plant-based whole foods recipes. Today I'm making the zucchini squash bolognese. It's my personal twist on a traditional bolognese sauce. This one is made with walnuts. For this recipe you're gonna need about 3 handfuls of walnuts, which are nicely and slowly roasted. I divide my walnuts into like quarter chunks so they have a nice size bites to it. And I'm roasting them for around a couple of minutes. In the meantime, you can prepare the zucchini squash noodles. I use this device that spiralizes my noodles. This makes it so easy to make any pasta dish into a low-carb, keto-friendly vegan recipe. And now it's the time to prepare the sauce. I'm heating up the pan so it's very hot. To check it, you need to drop a couple of drops of water to see if they slide on top of the pan. When the pan is ready, I'm adding onions. I use around 1 small onion or half of a big onion in this recipe. When the onion is halfway done, I add 2 cloves of garlic that I chopped into small pieces. And after that, I add about 1 cup of tomato passata, 1 cup of chopped tomato sauce, and around 100 grams of tomato paste. I stir everything and spice it up with oregano, basilicum and thyme, salt and crushed pepper. At the end, I add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of date syrup to break the acidity of tomatoes, and a splash of balsamic vinegar to make the sauce with a more umami taste. When everything is ready, I stir it for a couple of minutes and add my chopped and roasted walnuts. Voila, this super simple recipe is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're gonna subscribe and stay for more healthy recipes just like this one.